Hello and welcome to this week's edition of CGConnect, brought to you by Clifford, Gouldson lawyers. CGConnect is our weekly video blog where we share with you the experiences we, our clients and our referrers are having across the region in business. Well, this week has been an interesting week, and we certainly send all of our best wishes to businesses and their staff and families throughout Queensland and northern New South Wales as the experiences of Cyclone Debbie and its aftermath are felt across the state. We hope that all of your family, friends, including staff and their families, are safe and well at this time. Given the occurrences of the past days, I thought I'd take the opportunity to speak with you about a contractual matter, force majeure clauses. Some of you may be familiar with this legal term, force majeure. You may have seen them in contracts that you've prepared or signed. You may never have actually had cause to experience them. A force majeure clause is a contractual provision that enables parties and their obligations under a contract to be avoided in certain circumstances, whether through acts of God, strikes, wars, or other circumstances outside of the control and contemplation of both parties when they enter into their contract. Given this week's events, I thought it might be useful to give people a little bit of an explanation around a force majeure clause in case that was relevant for their business at this time. If you're in the middle of a contractual relationship and you are in a position where you may be unable to deliver on that contract, then it mightn't be a bad idea to have a look at a force majeure that might sit within your contract to see if you can avoid a contract obligation in the current circumstances. Another issue that arises out of the recent weather events might be to have a look at your lease documentation and consider whether or not there are rights or obligations available or able to be avoided under the lease because of recent weather events. Insurances are also another issue to check at this time. And we'd encourage you, if you've got any concerns about a force majeure clause, about an insurance question, or about a lease provision, to feel free to reach out to Clifford Gouldson lawyers for some assistance and support. A final point to note is the well-being of your business and its staff. Given the weather events, it's important to consider the safety of work sites, whether they be construction sites or just workplaces generally, and ensure the provision of safe places to work for your staff and anyone involved in your business. Until we speak again, all the best to you, your family and your business. Bye-bye and stay safe.